Do you know why only few students get high ranks even after getting best coaching education? Answer is coaching is good up to 60% preparation. Yes, only 60%. It is hard to believe, but it is true. Then how students fill a 40% gap and rank high? Answer is by proper and targeted self-study every day for 4 to 5 hours, which is not easy. Do not worry. There is Educlears technology with artificial intelligence to fill up your 40% preparation gap in half the time. Yes, 50% less time, and also ensures your high rank in NEET or JEE. See it to believe it.
Good morning. This is Nirmala Gupta from Educlears AI. I would like to discuss about the importance of self-learning and diagnosis, which is vital and mandatory for getting a high rank in NEET and JEE. It is true that there is no alternative for self-learning and diagnosis. It is you who have to do your own self-learning. No one can do it for you. Self-learning means doubt finding and doubt clearing. Revision of past topic that has been learned and practicing hundreds of mock tests of difficult and actual exam questions and building the confidence. Next, I would like to talk about how to make your self-learning more time efficient and better. Engineering and medical students faces a dilemma. What to study, what to revise. It is true that NEET and JEE syllabus is vast, hundreds of chapters having dozens of laws, principles, equations, formula, etc. What to study after learning from coaching becomes more difficult. Moreover, there are areas that students remember well and some areas they forget. Then how to detect those forgotten areas and revise again? So what student does for self-study? They study hours and hours in order to study whatever they have learned in coaching or school. But this is not a smart idea as time is limited and the study is not targeted. You might ask a question, what is wrong in doing revision? Giving revision is not wrong, but it should be targeted revision of only the weak areas. Let me explain. Student may not be equally knowledgeable in all the areas of a chapter that may have many sections, lessons, laws and equations. He might have well understood the theory and laws, but may not understood the equation. The smart idea is not to study the theory and law once again, rather concentrate on the equation that he is weak. It is called targeted revision and study. Is it clear to you what I mean by targeted revision? Now the most difficult part, how to find the targeted areas, the weak or forgotten areas. Unless you find the targeted areas, say 20%, you need to study the entire 100% chapter again. It is not smart to spend 100 rupees to recover 20 rupees, isn't it? Do not worry, there is a help, Educlears Prepnology. Our students know exactly what their weak areas of a chapter are and revise only those areas to complete their preparations. This is the way they do smart self-study which saves time and labor. Thank you.